The world's tallest Ganesha statue, bronze, is not in India but in Thailand. This giant standing bronze statue of Lord Ganesha is in Klong Khwea, Chachueng Sao Province, Thailand, Thai. At 39 meters high, he is the tallest Ganesha statue in the world. He was installed by Thai Princess Somsavli Harvararajathenuddama. Now imagine if they did this in India. Today, Thai Buddhists celebrate the birth of Ganesha just as Hindus celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Lord Ganesha is known as Farafiknate Shri Vignesha in Thailand. He is very popular among Thai Buddhists. Just as by Hindus, he is worshipped as the deity of success and as the one who removes all obstacles by Thai Buddhists. They worship him on occasion of the commencement of a new business or on occasion of a wedding. Associated with art and culture, Ganesha forms a part of the logo of Thailand's Department of Fine Arts.